especially not us when we have questions, but especially our new associates, we're like, I don't know which plan to use. Even if you put two brochures in front of them or two flat sheets in front of them, one that says legal plan and home business add-on and it's got eligibility on it, and the other one that has the Essentials Plus and Pro, the person probably could look at it and say, oh, I'm home-based. Tell me about this one. Do I meet this eligibility? Or they would say, hey, listen, yeah, that home-based thing isn't for me. I have a storefront business. I have a brick and mortar business, right? So it's really to help us. I can't tell you how many times, I've had a conversation with business owners and the HBS 2 and 3 it said home-based, but we really didn't enforce that. The law firms didn't enforce that when it came to obviously giving advice or assistance on business-related matters. And so with that being said, a lot of times, number one, we were selling a plan that didn't apply to that particular business.